Guys, wish me luck. I'm going to call Miss Nympha Ilagan, and she's supposedly the producer of Simulat Wakas for Hawaii. And let's see what she has to say. Sam gave this number. So. Okay, I'll leave her
Please leave your message for 80.
Hi, this message is for Miss Nympha Ilagan. This is Theta Pilar Pineda. I was referred to you by Sam Acosta. We're good friends. And yeah, I just have a couple of questions for you. I heard you're the producer for Simulat Wakas in Hawaii. And I would like to be able to help you if needed to promote your concert because we are big fans here in Hawaii. So if you could call me back, my number is 808. Thank you. Bye-bye. Did he mention? Yeah, and he was even, he was even helping me, go to all this stuff like to try and bring them before the pagtatag. Did you also produce the pagtatag in Ah, uh-huh. Oh, Gigi Delana. Oh, okay, okay. Nice. Oh, I see. So are you based in Hawaii? Uh-huh. Wow, nice. Well, first of all, thank you for making it happen for Hawaii. Oh, wait, hold on. I have to get your permission before we continue talking. Can I record yourself talking to you? Kasi I need I have to update my followers. Okay, hold on. Can I put you on speaker? Hold on. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm doing here with my phone. I think I'm too excited. Hold on. There you go. There's my
Okay.
speaker there. Can
Okay.
you still hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
Oh my goodness. So
Yeah,
yeah.
exciting.
Yeah. So what are
Okay.
you guys planning and how can I help you?
Yeah, so,
Ang kapal ko ano.
ay, no naman. Of course, every help is, sabi ko nga doon, may kaalis lang.
Uh-huh.
Don't expect too much. A little bit of help from everybody really is big and
Yeah,
huge.
we can always
This
make
is
it
a
a
big
community.
production.
Yes, it's a
Uh-uh.
community that works together can make things
Correct.
big, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So why not, right?
Yes.
Voluntold, why not?
Yes, yes.
Uh,
Yeah, so okay, I'll let you know first what I have done so far and you can direct me what else you want me to do. So
okay, yeah.
I think you know already from Sam that I do have a vlog. It's not very big, but
Yes,
it gets
yes.
the messages across. I
Mhm.
have subscribers from everywhere who now got
Oh,
excited when I told them that, hey, come to Hawaii, and
uh,
then I'm planning on having 18 fan meet. And
okay.
yeah, and actually I
Uh,
started with family and friends telling them, come home. The ones who
yes.
used to be from Hawaii that are
Hawaii.
already familiar with SB19. I said, come home
Uh,
so we can enjoy it together. And then one said, oh, but ate, they're having one in my hometown in Morieta. And I said, well, you're
uh,
going to be by yourself. And then she said, okay, I think I'm coming home. So, she's coming. So we actually have a good group now. I started a
okay.
group chat.
Uh-huh.
Some that I met during pagtatag, they are coming
Mhm.
here.
That's great.
Yeah, so their group is getting bigger.
You're talking how many?
I haven't
Uh,
counted, but one family that I just
uh,
recently interviewed, there are about 5 or 7 of them coming.
okay.
Yeah, so
Mm-hmm.
the people that are in my group chat maybe only about 40, but each of them have their other family members coming to the concert.
Also,
So we haven't counted
uh,
off yet from
and
our
these are
group.
all 18s.
Oh yes. Well, some
Uh,
are being dragged by their spouses.
ah, wow naman.
Something like that. So it's like my
Uh,
husband. He excited. He wants to go, but I don't think he really knows all the story that real
uh,
18 would know the details, right? So
yeah,
you
the
know, but
documentary of how they started.
yeah,
Okay.
exactly. So
Yes.
anyway, so far that's what I started. I messaged all the people I know, family and stuff, and our
Uh,
group is getting a little bigger. Um, I'm looking. The next one is to kind of find the right place where we're going to have a fan meeting, because right now I
uh,
reserved at Max's, and it's like it can hold about 50 something to 60, but
what area? What
the one
location of
in town,
Memphis?
because
South.
most of us are in
Okay.
town and the guests are staying in Waikiki. So I don't want to
Okay.
bring them all the way to Waipahu, although Waipahu has a bigger room, I know.
Uh-huh. Yes.
Yeah, but I'll look for other options. It's still, it's just that we also have to kind of move a little faster because it's
Uh-huh.
graduation time. So
Yes. Yeah.
yeah,
True.
hopefully by
Uh-huh.
this weekend I can find more places.
Okay.
So definitely I'll make that going. I said if that's all I can do to help to have a fan meet so people will get excited and come
Uh-huh.
over.
Correct.
I've done a little help and encourage people to come even if they don't really know much about SB19. Like some of my
SB9.
coworkers, they
Oh
they're
yeah.
they're like,
Where
"Oh
do you
yeah, I
work?
heard
If
about."
you don't mind me asking.
Oh, Halinani is a rehab and nursing center in
Ah,
Pensacola Street.
Pensacola.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Pensacola
And your
Street.
name po? Your name pala?
Theda, Theda po.
CHE.
T as in Tom,
Ah,
Heda.
okay.
You can check my vlog po. It's called, it's very easy. I changed the name already. It's called 18 of Hawaii Vlogs.
Oh, okay.
You'll find
Magaling
it.
naman.
Opo.
You're helping me already a lot with the Hawaii name.
Yeah, I did my first like a reaction. It's titled something about like SB19 coming to Hawaii reaction.
Ah,
I already had like 4,000 viewers or views
oh,
on it. So,
uh,
and they were like, oh, some people that knew me from the beginning, they already said, oh, congratulations, you're happy
uh,
for you because your dream finally came true.
I know, right?
Because Sam knew the story. That
Uh,
guy is so nice, as a friend.
yes.
Talagang he
Uh,
followed, helped me everywhere, took me everywhere kung
oh,
anong gusto ko. Kasi we
uh,
originally started it as trying to just invite them sana, just to magpakilala dito for the Filipino Fiesta. And then, yeah, so
oh,
nag-reply naman sila, but they ask, oh,
you
what
mean the
can you
SB?
offer? Po?
Wait, what group?
Ay, yung yung
Sila,
SB19, we message
SB19,
them. Opo, we message
uh-uh,
them directly. And then they
uh-uh,
reply naman kasi sabi nila, we're preparing for pagtatag tour already, but sabi nila, in case we will have time, can you tell us what you can offer? Tapos we look at each other like, wala tayong pera. And then, and then so, sabi ni
uh-uh,
Harry Alonso, I don't know if you know him,
uh-uh.
he
Yeah,
was
yeah, I
in,
know him. Yeah,
yeah,
I know him. He's a ticket master way
yeah.
back 2019.
Yes, he's my barkada. So
Uh-uh,
he told me, okay, if you can bring them to help at the Filipino Fiesta, we can introduce them here, and then
mm,
but they have to do it for free, and we can only afford probably to get them hotel and accommodations. So that's what I
uh-uh.
told them, and then that was the end of the story. But then we still didn't give up, kasi I know SB19 is also, they're also youth ambassadors, diba, for
Yes.
NCAA. So he said, oh,
Uh-uh.
maybe if I go that route, I'll go to the Philippine consulate. And then
Mm-hmm.
then Sam naman was was so talagang he was helping me. Oh, sige sis, punta tayo. And then he's the one who called them. And then ako naman, I made a video presentation. Tapos nag-present kami doon. And then after that, oh, we're so happy for you and we're so happy. We would like to meet them. Sabi ng Philippine consulate. But we don't have money. Wala rin pera. So, my gosh.
It costs money to bring them.
Yes. And then sabi
it's not cheap.
Exactly. Kasi 5 pa sila, ha? And then their managers and whatnot. And then they said the only help we can do for you is we can contact them and blah blah blah, and then we can create like a program that they can meet up with blah blah blah. So and they did that, but still it remains that wala talaga kaming pera for TF.
Yes, I know. That's why it's kind of challenging also.
Exactly.
To take the risk for me. You know?
I know, I understand. We're like asking around. I also know Errol. I don't know if you know Errol. So I keep bugging him. Errol, i-produce mo na sila. Blah, blah, blah. Ate, it's also a business. I have to make sure that people know them here.
Yes.
So,
you're just gonna market them really good.
Yes.
Because here in Hawaii, we don't have that much, people just work every day.
Yes.
They will
and
say like,
parang old-timers. Tapos
I
parang
mga... And they say, who are those? Who are
yes.
they?
Plus, they're young. And a lot of Filipinos here are probably not updated with the entertainers from the Philippines. So, they only know like yung mga old OPM singers na kilala nila from the past. So, pero yung the young ones, like the P-pop, like SB19, they don't really know them that much. So, I don't really blame them, and I don't really blame the promoters and producers. Kasi baka if they don't make money, parang ganon. So, I understand. So, sa pagtatag, sabi ko, I just chill already. So, I flew to LA. I watched them in LA. Yun na.
I see.
So, for this year, in November, Errol already messaged me, Ate, they're coming. I said, maniwala lang ako if I see the lineup and I see the poster. So yun, and then Sam messaged me, I think a week or 2 ago, sis, did you see already? They're coming. Ganun pa rin, I answered the same thing. I'll just be excited pag totoo na talaga yan, pag naka-poster na, yun. And then the first one that came out was Billboard, diba? US Billboard announced already that they're going on tour. So exciting yun. Exciting. And then the next batch.
May teaser, may kiliti.
Opo, their teaser is so good. They spend so much money. And then, nung nakita na namin yung, tawag dito,
Hawaii.
yung line-up na Hawaii, sigawan na. Ay, ako talagang, oh my gosh, I was screaming. I was so happy, finally. So yun, message na ako sa mga kaibigan ko, who's the producer? Who's the producer? Pakilala niyo ako. Sabi ko ganun, I'll help, free!
Yes, I messaged me. So sabi niya, are you the producer? Yes, I am. I said, and then he said like, wow.
Ay, nako. It's so much fun. So, where are you now po? What are your plans?
I just arrived from California because I have the Rated GG third time in San Francisco.
You just finished
I did the Rated GG 3 times here in Hawaii last year. So I just arrived yesterday, and then the weather was like really crazy here. It's but anyway, I'm situated, and my home is actually Hawaii, but I'm very active in San Francisco, not really in LA, but I also do production in LA.
Wow, so you're going all over the place. You're back and forth.
I try to defeat my anxiety.
Anxiety?
After retiring from the military. So,
wow.
That's what I do now. Yes,
Oh, so but you have a lot of energy.
Nag-try lang, kasi napasubo na. Sabi ko kay Sam, napasubo na ako sa production. So
that's good though, because all you're gonna do is keep improving. You cannot go down, you know what I mean?
We just did the Sarah last month.
Oh, Sarah, was here, and the husband. Oh gosh, I missed all that.
Same location tayo for the SB19.
Okay.
Maganda kasi yung yung venue.
Okay.
Na gusto ko rin yung venue ng convention at saka service nila.
Oh, so that's good. Pero can I I have a question on that kasi alam mo naman yung mga fans are so excited. Ngayon naging issue yung, of course everybody's excited with the Philippine Arena and everybody's doing so many things to make sure na ma-sold out yun. And then now they're noticing when they announce, I guess, the different locations outside the Philippines, there's some people are saying, but ang liliit ng mga location. Tapos yung sa Hawaii, 900. Na-surprise ako bakit 900. Is that correct po?
No, the convention, I took all the ballroom.
Okay.
That's the venue is depende na lang sa stage kung gaano kalaki yung stage.
Opo.
So I did Sarah. Sarah is 3,600.
Okay.
And then I build a big stage which eliminates some of the areas. So I made about 2,600.
Okay. So how about Sarah, for SB19 po? Ano yung plan nyo po?
Yung requirements nila sa stage, so depende na lang kung palakihin ko ulit yung stage. Kasi yung Sarah, pinalaki ko talaga. I want it like really nice compared sa binigay nilang
dimension
area. Pinalaki ko, parang kumbaga kung 40, ginawa ko 60, ganun. Parang malaki talaga. So,
and she can be seen easily. Okay.
Yeah, more likely, I'm shooting at least 1,500 sa SB19.
Okay.
Pag nag-over ako dyan, then I'm gonna, of course, you're gonna, what you call this, need more equipments and everything.
Opo.
But the venue,
but just in case po,
3,000,
you are looking, okay, so right now, the room that you took is it can accommodate 3,000.
Yes.
Opo.
Yeah.
Ano yung, kasi I'm looking online, they said there's a theater that says 12,000. Is there such thing or that's not correct?
There's a venue that's 12,000. Okay. Probably they're talking about other venues like Blaisdell.
Hindi po, in convention center itself, it says that. That's why.
Yeah, there's one downstairs, but yung downstairs kasi ayaw ko yung semento kasi hindi magandang sound.
That's where Regine and Martin before I watched that. Yes. Nag-echo. It's huge but nag-echo.
Nagba-bounce doon sa semento.
Yes.
Sa tenga.
Yes, that's what I mean. Parang lalo na si Regine is very high ang singing niya, 'di ba? Parang bugbog yung tenga mo at the end of the day. Like you enjoy it but at the same time you're very tired.
Baka mamaya demanda pa tayo nagkaroon ng ear. No naman, that's to ayoko talaga kasi yun ang ginamit ng parokya, sabi ko. I never went to Regine before but yeah, the area, yung semento na lang saka yung ceiling niya napakataas, hindi maganda ang effect ng sounds.
Okay.
Yeah.
So at least where the one that you took is max is 3,000.
Yes.
So it depends on
the stage. Yeah.
Okay. So, depends
pero
din kung pag nag-sell na kayo, how it's going, no? You can still extend or make the stage smaller to accommodate more people, no?
Correct. Because Hawaii is not updated with the SB19.
Yes. So yeah, we need to drum up, are you giving away flyers and posters po in stores? Kasi I've seen that in some concerts.
We're following the rules, so they're very technical rules sila. So
talaga?
We follow as we
you mean IZ? I mean 1Z?
Lahat may guidelines kasi gusto nila sabay-sabay lahat ng
pareho.
cities.
Okay.
Which is I like that.
Okay.
Gusto ko 'yun. Kasi hindi hindi iba-ibang poster, bakit ito ganito.
Yes.
So nagko-communicate lahat yung
that's nice. So medyo may everything is based in their company po ng SB19, yung 1Z.
Oo naman. And then kung may question kami, nagmo-modify naman sila. Kasi yung kasing natin dito sa Hawaii, iba rin yung market kasi.
Oo. So, plus this is their first time, no?
Ibang-iba tayo.
Yes po, and this is their first time here. So, yung mga tao dito, hindi pa masyado silang kilala.
So talaga naman sa production, lagi akong flyers, posters all over Hawaii. Mayroon tayong runners dyan.
Opo. Maybe you would have them interviewed po. Pwede ba yun? Like, kasi, like, for example, yung morning TV shows, they've done interviews, but even though hindi naman sila live, like, they can just go, you know, tawag dito?
I-record and then i-show na lang.
Or ano po, yung they will just do, tawag dito by... what do you call? Ano ba yan? I'm blanking out.
Yung parang over the phone.
Opo. But they can see each other. They can be yes po. So it's still live. Yes po, it's still live. Pero they're actually talking to them in the Philippines, the boys. Whatever is the time here. Like for example, 7 o'clock TV show, like morning show. That would be good. Or even evening. So I think that would really help po. And then maybe the radio stations here po. Marami naman tayong mga connection of mga Filipino I was
yung community ang nagre-reach out ako yung mga
we have to po. And then I was thinking I was also thinking yung mga city councilmen na mga Filipino din sila, may may Filipino din sila like tawag dito.
Malaking network. Malaking network ng mga kasi dito, mga caregivers.
Yun. I think maybe you should go to the clubs po. Alam mo naman dito mga Pilipino, puro club, di ba?
I'm actively involved naman sa kanila. Kaibigan natin yung mga presidente.
Yes.
Almost all the presidents.
I think that's the best way to go po na you kind of push the idea that we need to support this and show to the community that kasi we have a big a big amount of Filipino people, I mean compared to the other ethnicity, di ba? Tapos,
marami naman tayong community partners.
Ang kailangan lang talaga, they need to hear it. Kasi kung wala naman nagkukwento, wala naman nagpupush ng, oy, kilala nyo ba si ganito, ganire? If they, like, who's that? Siyempre, pakilala mo. And then, pag na nila na, multi-awarded pa lang mga to. And then, they will be proud also to support, di ba? Ganun naman talaga yon in the beginning. Yung iba nga, sometimes, sasabihin pa, ay, sino ba nga yan? Ganun-ganun pa. Pero later on, they would be proud to realize na, ay, nako, international na pala sila. Ang dami na nilang mga recognition, di ba?
Yes.
Tapos yung mga fans po nila, meron silang locations. I think last year yung pagtatag, yung ibang concerts nila like Texas and Chicago or something. Yung mga fans po na nanonood, mas marami pa po ang non-Filipino. Oo.
I heard that, Tapos sinusundan-sundan pa nga sila. That's, show,
yes po. They don't just go to one location. Talagang,
imagine yung Korea nila, sold out, hindi naman Pilipino.
Yes. There's alam mo yung ibang mga nationalities nga po, mas grabe yung eagerness nilang mag-follow sa SB19. How much more tayong Filipino, should be more proud.
I know.
That's why in my age
ko sa kanila, support. Wala dito kasi mga mga Filipino.
Opo, plus yung type of fans that they have are different ages. Wala yung pang bata lang, pang teenager lang, mga hindi po.
Years old,
yes, maski yung mga baby pa, like they like to follow them to sing their song. Tapos yung mga lola, would you believe po?
Mas kilala pa nga nila yung yung Gento.
Yes po, Gento.
Pala kilala. At alam mo yung mapa na nila ginagamit na sa high school graduation.
Yes, everywhere. That's the most, ilang million na ba yung views yung kanilang Tapos yung mga, ang followers talaga nila, all age group and all types of people. Meron po nung nag-concert sila ng pagtatag sa Japan, yung taga Hawaii, naging siya, nag-viral siya kasi she went all the way there from Hawaii. Naka-wheelchair na po siya. And then her daughter was the one who brought her there. And then of course they paid VIP, so they're supposed to take picture with the boys. Kaso lang she couldn't stand and walk in the stage, up to the stage. So ang ginawa ng boys, bumaba to her. And then she gets to hug each of them. Oh my gosh. And then after that, naging friends na kami sa Facebook. Ngayon, tumawag siya sa akin, si Tita Lydia, pangalan niya.
Anong Facebook mo?
Ganun po yung pangalan ko, Teda Pilar Pineda. Opo.
Okay.
Opo. And you will see my phone number na rin po after this call. You called me naman, di ba? Just keep it.
Kasi nga, naka-ano ko kanina.
Opo. Yeah, so yung matandang yun, nakatira po dito sa Kailua, tapos tumawag siya sa akin the other day, Teda, darating na sila! Nakakatuwa po yun. She's 90 years old po, but she's still a very active 18. So that goes to show po na kung talaga yung mga tao nakikilala lang sila, talagang mamahalin sila no matter how old they are.
Nag-request pala ako sa iyo.
Ano po?
I think somebody told your name to me, so nag-request ako ng friend request ako sa Facebook.
Talaga? Baka hindi ko nakita. Titingnan ko po mamaya.
Sige.
Okay po. So, anyway, just message me, text me, whatever, if you want me to join you in whatever po.
Sige,
but
for sure, yeah.
Opo, for now, I'll continue with updating the people who are following me so that they will also get excited.
Okay, yeah.
Okay po. So,
thank you
so much po.
And then I'll request again para
Opo. Yeah.
Okay
po, thank you. Same here.
Ang ganda mo sa Facebook.
Next.
Bye-bye. Hope to see you soon.
Okay po.
Alright,
thank you.
Bye-bye.
Oh my gosh.